Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel! You know what? I really had fun today recreating Bratz look for today's episode of Makeup Tuesday! Yes! So another makeup serye, Makeup Tuesday na naman yung ating gagawin for today. And ito nga yung look na I was able to create using my makeup dito sa bahay. So, ayan, so Bratz Doll yung na-recreate natin for today, and it took me like 8 hours, not because it's really difficult, but because ang daming challenges for today, nag-brown out, ayun, sobrang daming mga challenges, but thankfully, I was able to finish the look and share it to you guys, and I will be sharing this to you guys for today. So bago natin simulan, don't forget to hit on like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para updated ka sa aking bawat uploads because I upload 2 to 3 times a week. And also guys, if you are new here, I have an ongoing giveaway here, so kindly click this link here so that you will be able to join my ongoing giveaway. And also guys, in my recent video, I had made a shout out to my commenters, so make sure to comment down below para ma-feature ka towards the end of the video. So without any further ado, I'm gonna teach you this, so keep on watching. Let's start! But before anything else, let me just hydrate my lips. Ayan, first time in the video. This is something that I've worked hard for the longest time, for months now. And malalaman nyo kung anong itong product na to. I will be sharing this all to you really soon. Ayan, I love this because it hydrates my lips. So now, let's start with applying the mist. So, yung mist na ginagamit ko is from Fresh Skinlab Sun Glow of May Layog and Ray Hair Mar. And right now, I'm applying primer, and the primer that I'm using is Focallure Perfect Face Matte Primer. This primer, I don't recommend. Ginamit ko lang to because I've just seen it on my makeup collection and I wonder why I didn't use it. Now I know kung bakit hindi ko siya ginamit. Basta malalaman nyo mamaya, I'll explain it further. Now, I'm trying to glue my eyebrows because I would like to hide my eyebrows. But I'm leaving the front part, yung sa gitna na part. But I would like to hide the eyebrows. So, ito yung technique na ginagamit ko or ginagawa ko every time that I would like to hide my eyebrows. So, gamit yung glue stick from BIC. I just stamped it in sa aking eyebrows. And eto, kung makikita nyo, this is the second layer. So, bali yung cycle nito is lagyan nyo ng stick, tapos patuyuin nyo, lagyan nyo ulit, patuyuin nyo. Ayan. So, now, we are on the third layer para flat na flat talaga yung ating eyebrows. This is actually a technique used by drag queens. Ganyan. And now, for a little bit of extra and para mas tago talaga yung eyebrows natin, I'm actually using this lip product from Cosmtics. Kulay red ito to color correct para mas madaling itago yung dark spots or yung dark na buhok sa ating kilay. Now, I'm just like trying to set it with powder. And now, I'm currently using a foundation from Cosmtics pa rin. This is the You Can Face It foundation in the shade Ivory. And eto, so what you can see, stamp lang talaga yung aking ginawa. Like, hindi ko siya dinrag, but I just stamped it in sa aking eyebrows para mas tagong-tago talaga yung magiging itsura ng ating eyebrows. Ayan. So, nakadalawa or tatlong layer ako ng foundation nito just to really make sure na walang makikitang buhok and it will have an even canvas para sa eyeshadow natin mamaya. And now, if you have watched my previous episode of Makeup Tuesday, every time that I apply foundation, I really use a brush to spread it out para hindi aksaya sa foundation. So right now, I'm currently using a brush and I'm just trying to spread it all over my face and drag it down to my neck. Then after that, that's the time na nagsusponge ako. Kasi nga, para hindi masip-sip ng sponge lahat ng foundation. So, brush muna, then foundation after. Ayan. So, after nito is already the fun part. Oh, hindi pa pala. Concealer pa pala. So, right now, I'm currently using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm in the shade medium. And I'm just trying to add concealers under eye area. Pati kinonceal ko na din yung kilay na part and all of my other blemishes. And, ayan. So, just trying to blend everything in. Now, I'm trying to set my face with Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation. I am in the shade Device. Oo, shade Device yung shade ko. So, ayan. So, now, I'm trying to outline the look. So, basically, gusto ko munang makita or ma-visualize yung look itself by drawing some white outlines. Ayan. So, ito, white yung ginamit ko to make an outline kasi mas madali itong takpan as compared to black eyeliner. Ayan. So, itong eyeliner na ito, hindi ko na siya i-feature kasi this is like a Chinese brand. Nabili ko lang to sa Shopee. So, I don't recommend. So, ayan, so I'm trying to, makita nyo, I'm trying to outline the eyes, the pupil. Yung sa itaas, that is the eyeliner. That's the part where I would like to put the eyeliner. Now, I'm trying to outline the cut crease kasi Bratz will be having cut crease today. And now, I'm trying to outline the kilay. Yung kilay na super taas. Super angat yung kilay. Now, I'm trying, let me just do it on the other side. Ayan. I'm trying to visualize everything here. So, ayan. Basically, yeah, dito sa part ito, nakikita ko na yung gusto kong outcome. Now, I grabbed this Ivory Cosmetics na face paint palette and I'm just trying to color the eyes mismo, yung sa loob ng eyes ng color white. And dito, this was the time na nalaman ko na kaya pala hindi ko ginagamit yung primer. It's because it moves the foundation. Namumove niya yung foundation underneath. Kaya pala hindi ko na siya ginagamit since the very first time that I used it. So, siguro ito na yung last time na gagamitin ko yung primer na yun. So, now, I'm trying to add an eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I used was from O2O Darling Palette. So, ito yung parang brownish red na kulay as what you can see in the pop-up picture. So, ayan, I'm just trying to outline the eyes with this darker color to pop it even more. Ayan. Now, I'm trying to draw the eyeliner. So, para hindi aksaya sa eyeliner, I just use the face paint din from iMagic and I'm using the black one. But after that, I realized na hindi ito super jet black or matte black. So, I took the Darling eyeshadow palette and I took the black color. Ayan. And stamp it in above the, yung sa face paint. Just to really make sure that it's black. Ayan. Now, I'm trying to visualize everything and I did the other side para makita ko and to make sure that everything's symmetrical. Now, for the eyebrows, yung product na ginagamit ko ngayon is from Beauty Glazed. This is their eyebrow gel and I really love this eyebrow gel kaya ito yung ginamit ko for today. And right now, medyo nahirapan ako sa eyebrows. It's because iba yung texture dun sa tinakpan mo ng kilay tsaka dun sa front. Yung sa front, kung makita nyo, yung tinakpan ko lang is the outer part. Yung sa front, hindi. It's because I would like to achieve that hairy, bushy eyebrows. So, kaya ni-retain ko yung sa my front part or inner part. So, ayan. I did the other side na. And now, let's proceed with the eyeshadow. So, from Darling na eyeshadow palette, I use this. This is actually, hindi lang clear sa picture, but this is like orangey, pinky na kulay. And I made it into a transition shade. Now, I'm adding this maroon eyeshadow. This is actually maroon color and I'm actually adding it sa lids ni Bratz. This is like the lids part ni Bratz. So, I'm just adding it and dragging it to the inner corner ng kanyang eyes. So, ayan. So, I'm really stamping the color and make sure to drag it all over hanggang malapit na siya dun sa kilay. Now, I did grab the black eyeliner. This one naman is sa crease ni Bratz. Ayan. So, just imagine that you're adding it to your crease, but in my case, since malaki nga yung mata, this is already the lids part, but I'm visualizing na sa crease to ni Bratz ilalagay. I'm trying to drag it out just to smoke everything out. Daming out nun. Now, pagkatapos ito, I was so disappointed kasi I cut the crease and put some gold shimmer eyeshadow and blend everything, kaso hindi ko na-record. So, yun yung ginawa ko. I cut the crease, then add some gold shimmer eyeshadow sa gitna. Now, I grabbed this brown color from the face paint. Oo, tama. Face paint. And I'm trying now to outline the pupil of the eyes with brown because I would like my Bratz to be brown eyes. Brown-eyed? Or ano ba? Now, I'm adding the black color naman sa gitna. And just like the same thing, I stamp it in with the black eyeshadow. Pagkatapos, it's because gusto ko mas opaque, mas kulay na kulay talaga siya. So, makikita nyo mamaya na I stamped it in with black eyeshadow. Ayan. So, kung makita nyo dyan, medyo tumatawa-tawa ako because my sister is doing her makeup with me sa time na to. Kaya, parang meron akong kausap. So, ayan. Nakita nyo, I stamped some eyeshadow pigments like the black and the brown just to pop it even more. Now, I took a brown eyeliner pen. This is from iMagic. And I just lined my waterline. Ayan. So, now, yung black na eyeshadow na ginamit natin sa taas kanina, I smoked it out sa baba ng eyes ni Bratz. Then, trying to blend it in together. And for more smoky look or smokier look o ano ba, I took the magenta or the maroon shade and smoked it out even more. So after nito, I guess I already, nga, tama, I put lashes on. So yung lashes nito, guys, this is like 5 lashes all in all. So, ang daming lashes na ginamit ko. So, sa taas, I took a super kapal na lashes. Then, sa baba naman, I took a nipis na lashes just to mimic the waterline or below eyes lashes or yung lashes sa baba. Ano ba? Ayan, so I already did the other side and also add some extra details sa eyes like the shine ko, no, yung puti sa gitna and some lines. Ayan. Now, I am doing the contour with Cosmtics Aura Contour. So, I'm contouring my whole face with this. Now, for the blush, I took the Focallure blush. And this is like an orangey, peachy blush. And I just added it. I don't want it to be super sabog kasi nga super sabog na yung eyes natin. So, very subtle lang yung blush. And now, for the highlight, I want a Vava Boom highlight. Wow, as what you can see in my nose. So, I used this Beauty Glazed 3D Liquid Glow. Added it on the tip of my nose and on my cheeks, so I need it to be really, really shiny. Now, I relined my lips to achieve that Bratz lips, yung super big lips. For the lip liner, hindi ko din ito mare-recommend kasi Chinese brand ito. I don't know the composition. Now, with the lips to finish everything up, to tie all of the looks, I've used Cosmtics liquid lipstick and I'm just trying to fill everything in and add some extra touches and basically we're done. So this is the final look. So, this is the final look. Yes, this is the final look, guys. And I hope you had fun recreating this. If susundin nyo to, I hope you had fun recreating this because I really did had fun recreating this specific look. So, I'm so glad that I took the challenge and did this look. Ayan. Pero pag nagsalita ako, para akong ewan. But pag ganyan, it's fine. See? So, ayan. So, basically, that's all for today. But before we end this video, it's time for Eyeshoutout! So, mag-shoutout muna ako. I would like to make a shoutout to Goldie PNFL. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Nakikita kita every video. So, thank you so much for always being there sa aking mga videos and keep sharing the good vibes. So, yun lang, guys. So, I hope you had fun in today's video because I did had so much fun. And if you like this video, again, don't forget to hit on like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para updated ka sa aking bawat uploads. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys all in my next video. Bye!